Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a custom Facebook friend list. So let's dive in. So if you open your Facebook, you can see if you open to your friends, there's no how we can create a Facebook friend list here. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your Facebook on your Chrome browser, on any browser. So open your Chrome browser, and this is it. You can look for your Facebook. This is it. Click on your Facebook here. And this is it. You're using your Facebook on your Chrome browser. So now what I'm going to do is sorry facebook.com. Okay, this is my Facebook. Now the first thing you're going to do is click on these three dots and you're going to change to desktop side. Okay, I'm on desktop side, so you're going to change back to desktop side. You can say now use your hand to fill it a little. So I just use your hand to scratch like this for you to see what you want to see very well. So the next step is come down here and you click on wait for it. Come down here and click on sorry. Alright, so let's see. You have to come here and click on your profile menu button here. Click on it. Click on your profile menu button. Allow it to load. Yeah, I guess you can just use your hand to stretch it a little. You can see. Then here, yes, you look at this button here, the search button. Click on the search button. Then search friends. Click on friends. And the next step is you can see. Click on more. Okay, sorry, this is what you're going to do. Click on friends. And here, okay, and this is it. You can see custom list. Click on custom list, and this is it. Now you can arrange your list. It's those that you want to restrict, your acquaintance, those that you know your close friend, or you create another list. And here you can select your friends according to how you want them to be. So your all your business friends, your family friends, your normal friends. You can just select and custom everything here so easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.